Now, this question says at 50 degrees, the ionic product of water, Kw, is 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole square dm to the power minus 6. Now, at this temperature, what should be the pH of water? Now, first of all, water is always neutral. If it is pure water, water is always neutral, irrespective of the temperature, irrespective of the pH. Water is always and always neutral. If it is pure water, it is neutral. So, what we would do is we would initially cross out options C and D because pure water can't be acidic, can't be alkaline. Irrespective of the pH, water is always and always neutral, right? Okay. And in our class, we already studied that at higher temperature, water has a lower pH. So, water at 50 degrees Celsius, water will have a pH less than 7 because at 25 degrees Celsius, water has a pH of 7. So, at higher temperature, water should have a lower pH because we already studied this in class. So at higher temperature, the pH of water decreases. Now, as the pH of water decreases, it cannot be 7, it has to be less than 7. And so we can easily figure out that the answer must be B, that it is neutral with a pH of 6.6, because at 25 degrees Celsius, the pH is 7. So at higher temperature, pH is lower than 7. So that's only option left is B. You can also calculate the answer. You can also figure out the answer. If you want to calculate the answer, you can calculate in this way that Kw equals H plus multiplied by OH minus concentration, right? Now, at in pure water, the H plus and OH minus concentrations are always equal, right? So you can write this as Kw equals to H plus concentration square, because in pure water, the concentration of H plus and the concentration of OH minus are always equal. So Kw will be equals to H plus concentration square. So now Kw is 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 equals to H plus concentration square. From here, you find the concentration of H plus. And from the concentration of H plus, you can find the pH. So pH will be minus log of the H plus concentration. If you calculate this, it comes out to be 6.6. So the answer to question number 7 is B. So this question was designed in such a way that you don't need to calculate. You can easily figure out the answer without calculating. Now, if you can't figure out the answer without calculating, then you should calculate and figure out the answer.